This you've been talking about for a while. Two U.S. science agencies say 2021 was the 6th hottest year on record globally. According to NASA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, last year was the hottest year on record for 25 countries in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. The last 8 have been the hottest years on record. The global temperature has risen nearly 2 degrees over the last 140 years. You've been talking over the last couple of weeks that it's been so warm here in southern New England. In
fact, 2021 for Providence, the warmest year since records have been kept. You wouldn't know it this weekend, though, as we were talking. Of course, climate is weather averaged out over years and decades, whereas weather is just day-to-day weather, and that's what we're looking at, obviously, for this weekend. As we take a peek outside in Providence, under cloudy skies, it's quiet. In fact, it was gorgeous today. Topped out at 48 degrees, very comfortable, but another blast of Arctic air is on the way, and it will be coupled with some strong, gusty wind as well. So, pretty active weather, very changeable weather starting tomorrow right through Martin Luther King Monday. We look at the high temps today, which topped out at 48. It's a solid 10 degrees above average. We are cooler tomorrow afternoon and then sharply colder tomorrow night, Saturday, and into Sunday. So threat tracker remains low for this evening. We bump it up to yellow on Friday, not because we're concerned about any significant precipitation. In fact, at best, all will squeak out with an ocean storm that's well to our east, some sprinkles and flurries, but it's the wind gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour, and eventually some dangerous wind chills tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and into Saturday. So Saturday overall is actually a dry weekend, but frigid with sub-zero wind chills, especially during Saturday morning. Next storm system is Sunday night into Monday. Now, when I say Sunday night, I don't mean like 7 o'clock in the evening around dinner time. It's very late at night, around midnight and towards daybreak on Monday. It looks like one of those 20% snow, 80% rain, and some very strong wind as well. And we'll talk about that in just a second. Skies are cloudy. Our developing storm now, you can see the clouds taking shape offshore, but this will track well to our east by almost 400 miles. So it's close enough to kick up the wind around here, and even close enough to throw back some sprinkles and flurries, but the bulk of the precipitation stays offshore. When we put this into motion, and this thing is really wrapping up and intensifying rapidly, but here's southern New England, and look at the bulk of the moisture is staying just offshore, but clipping the area with some flurries and sprinkles. As it pulls away, the wind really starts to crank, and it draws down frigid air from Canada Friday night, Saturday, and here we are on Sunday morning. High pressure builds in. The wind eases on Sunday, but it's a very cold day with temperatures only in the teens and 20s. And then we draw our attention to that. That is a storm developing Sunday night. Put this into motion. Sunday's a dry day. Here we are Sunday evening at 6 o'clock, cloudy skies. A shield of wet snow approaches around midnight late Sunday night. We could actually get a couple of inches of snow north and west of Providence, but the storm track would favor a switch to a windswept heavy rain by daybreak on Monday. And the concern, especially early Monday morning, is perhaps for some damaging wind gusts, especially along the coastline. So the storm starts cold with a little bit of snow. It warms up and it transitions over to rain, and then eventually moving into northern New England by Monday afternoon and Monday evening. In the meantime, we're getting real close here, and the forecast overnight with increasing clouds, but notice the bulk of the rain is pretty much New Bedford out towards Cape Cod, both tomorrow morning and even into tomorrow afternoon. The switch to blue, some light snow by Friday evening, Friday night, pretty much for the Cape only. And look at these temperatures start to tumble later Friday night. I'm not concerned about snow around here, but out towards Cape Cod, you may pick up 1 to 2 inches of snow where there is a winter weather advisory for later tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. So for Friday morning, other than some sprinkles, I don't see too much of a concern as far as precipitation. Sprinkles and flurries tomorrow afternoon. The wind really starts to pick up tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. Frigid air Friday night, bitterly cold wind chills on Saturday. It's a dry day, not as windy, but still quite cold on Sunday. And there's the storm for Martin Luther King Monday. Snow changing to a windswept rain and the potential for some damaging wind gusts early on Monday morning. So next several days, I'm Mike and Kim, very busy with very changeable weather. In the short term, it's strong wind and bitterly cold air that's on the way.
All right, Tony, thanks. Coming up next.